Hi guys, welcome to Tech Know How Technologies. Today we're going to be taking a look at Nextcloud. This is a kind of install your own cloud service on a server at home or an extra computer. I think it's pretty neat that you can do this, and it's pretty simple. In this quick how-to, I'm going to be taking a look at Ubuntu. So, is what we're going to do is just go to the terminal, and we're going to go sudo and snap install Nextcloud. Now I already do have this installed, so it's not going to really do anything on my end, but this will pull all the dependencies down and you'll be able to install it. Should run all on its own, and then afterward you can migrate right to the IP address of your Ubuntu box. You can create logins and everything for this, and then once you log in, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You have documents, you can create new folders, upload files, and you can create accounts for other people. If you if you come into right here, you can see I have two other people created right there, and I think it's pretty neat. Now this is kind of goes over the LAN, not over the wide area network or over the internet, unless you configure all the security settings with certificates and everything. You can also set it up if you're running Ubuntu like I am on my desktop. Right here you can actually go to other locations, and you can actually add it as an account device here, and it'll map just like a drive, and then you'll be able to access it right from there, which is really neat. In Windows you can do the same thing, it's just a little bit more tricky, which I can make a separate video on that. Upcoming videos are going to be on some other electronic stuff, maybe some Bluetooth technologies and different stuff, and home theater stuff. Once again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please place them below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Alright, have a good one.